Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by enabling developer options. This gives the controls you need to diagnose auto-closing. Go to Settings, About Phone, tap build number 7 times, confirm. Once done, enable USB debugging only if you plan deeper inspection, and check background process limit. Set it to standard. Make sure to note your Realme UI version and back up essential app data before changing battery or permission settings. This avoids surprises and makes it easier to revert changes if an app misbehaves. Next, you fix how the system treats apps in the background. Open Settings, Battery, then Battery Optimization. Select each app and choose Don't Optimize so Android won't kill it. Also, lock apps in the Recent Apps screen to pin them. This prevents auto-closure when memory is reclaimed. Disable aggressive power saving, auto-clean, and automatic memory cleanup for the problem apps. These steps change the priority and lifecycle policies, so the OS keeps the process alive longer, reducing unexpected closures. Finally, confirm app permissions. Go to App Management, enable background activity and auto-start where available, because without them the system restricts running in background. Then update the app in Realme UI, clear cache or reinstall an app if it still closes. If problems continue, restart the phone and test in safe mode to isolate third-party conflicts. As a last resort, a factory reset fixes deep system issues, but back up first. If you get stuck, try safe mode to see whether another app is forcing closures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.